In this week's edition of the Business Review, Supreme Ventures Limited is one step closer to exporting its signal internationally. The move could see billions of people watching and placing bets on games and races in Jamaica. So how are they planning to do it? TVJ's Andrew Laidley explains.
Earlier this year, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited (SVL), the operators of Caymanas Park, signed an agreement with a North American company called Monarch Group. That agreement allows Monarch to sell Supreme Ventures content from Caymanas Park's race days. But before that, Supreme Ventures announced plans to set up operations in Guyana. CEO of the company, Andon Young Sang, now announcing that those initiatives are a part of SVL's plan to go global.
Our Guyanese expansion enabled us, for the first time ever in the history of Caymanas, to export our signals. And we have no intention of stopping there. We're going to be exporting to other international markets very soon.
SVL Chairman David McConnell says the company plans to use Guyana as a launchpad into other regional and international markets.
Everyone has acknowledged that there's going to be a substantial boost to the economy of Guyana, and I think the board of Supreme recognized that when they were looking at all of the countries across the Caribbean to go into, and they saw that as one with low barriers to entry as well as a big upside with the oil coming in. So I think it was a strategic choice to go down there. I think the team did very well in picking that one to be the first market.
And as Supreme Ventures expands into other territories, the company is ensuring that its digital transformation is on par with the rest of the world.
We are going to be going further into the world of online and interactive gaming. We're entering that channel. And we're also going to be investing in new and expanding our distribution channels. And we have also taken this strategic approach to the growth and expansion of SVREL.
But while the company builds out its services overseas, CEO Andon Young Sang says SVL is still grappling with the illegal market in Jamaica.
The illegal market, the unregulated market, still presents a major threat to our business. And it's not only a major threat to the business, but it's also a major threat to the economy, because no taxes are paid to the government. That helps to contribute to the Jamaican infrastructure and the Jamaican infrastructure investment. No fees and commissions are paid that will contribute to the Jamaican economic activity. And there is no recourse or protection for the consumer.
At the end of March, Supreme Ventures recorded its best results for a first quarter ever. The company recorded profits of $621 million. Gaming income went up by 15%. Supreme Ventures also paid record high taxes last year, totaling almost $7 billion. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.